What is going on YouTube? I have found the perfect formula for Juggernog soda, and we're starting right now. You're gonna need, of course, your Juggernog bottle, hydrogen peroxide, and red food coloring, or whatever red dye you want to use. Okay, I am thinking about adding Mountain Dew to this a little later to make it even more potent, but as for right now, this is gonna be what we're gonna do. And make sure that your hydrogen peroxide, make sure it says 3%, because that's what you're going to want to use for this perfect formula. What you're going to do is you're going to take your hydrogen peroxide and you're going to take off the whole lid, and you're going to hold your Juggernog bottle over the tub, and you're going to start pouring in the hydrogen peroxide like so. Okay, all the way, almost all the way to the top. And you can put your hydrogen peroxide in your tub, and then you're going to put your bottle back on the side of your tub, or wherever you want to do this. You can do it over the sink. It doesn't really matter. Alright, because it's the easiest way for me. You're going to pour the whole thing in there. I want it to get really red. Alright? You're going to notice it's starting to get very red, and it's very cool to watch. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very cool to watch. Look at it just sink into the bottom. Oh my goodness, this is like a science experiment. This is great. Alright, you keep going until it reaches the bottom, but you're gonna keep pouring until the whole thing turns pitch red, dark red, whatever you want to say, blood red. And once you see it reach the bottom, you're done. And then for the final touch, you're going to put your cap to your Juggernog soda back on. Okay, make sure it's tight, because you don't want to mess this up. And then you're going to start shaking it just a little bit. It can get on your hands, just don't worry about that. Just make sure you clean it up afterwards. There you have it. You have your perfect Juggernog solution. And last and foremost, make sure you do not drink it because of the hydrogen peroxide. And I actually don't recommend drinking Red 40 either, because it stained my hands really bad. So that's not a good thing, and it's very much so a carcinogen. Good day. So